Good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to read a chapter from our CBSE Stairs of class UKG. The chapter name is Sundri. So let's read and enjoy this story. Sundri was a big red,
Sundari was a big red,
white and blue kite.
white and blue kite.
When Bobby made her,
When Bobby made her,
she smiled at him.
she smiled at him.
You are beautiful
You are beautiful,
and I will call you Sundri,
and I will call you Sundari.
he said.
He said.
One day,
One day,
Bobby took Sundri to the fair.
Bobby took Sundari to the fair.
The band was playing
The band was playing,
and everyone was smiling.
and everyone was smiling.
A merry-go-round was playing
A merry-go-round was playing,
a happy little tune.
a happy little tune.
It was carrying lots of boys
It was carrying lots of boys
and girls
and girls
round and round
round and round
on its wooden animals.
on its wooden animals.
Bobby looked for an open space
Bobby looked for an open space
where he could run
where he could run
and fly his kite.
and fly his kite.
Sundri looked too.
Sundari looked too.
Out in the grass
Out in the grass
ran Bobby,
ran Bobby,
holding up his kite
holding up his kite
as high as he could.
as high as he could.
Puff!
Puff!
The wind came along.
The wind came along.
Sundri started to fly up,
Sundari started to fly up,
but she could not go very high.
but she could not go very high.
A little dog
A little dog
was holding on to her long tail.
was holding on to her long tail.
It was in his mouth.
It was in his mouth.
Bobby shooed the dog away.
Bobby shooed the dog away.
We'll try again,
We'll try again,
Bobby said.
Bobby said.
This time Sundri leaped up
This time Sundari leaped up
in the air.
in the air.
She tugged hard.
She tugged hard.
Oh,
Oh,
how she wanted Bobby
how she wanted Bobby
to let go of her string.
to let go of her string.
She gave a big tug.
She gave a big tug.
Bobby had to let her go.
Bobby had to let her go.
Whee!
Wee!
Cried Sundri.
Cried Sundari.
Now I can fly as high
Now I can fly as high
as I please.
as I please.
And away she went.
And away she went.
She flew up,
She flew up,
up in the air.
up in the air.
New words.
New words.
Band,
Band,
dizzy,
dizzy,
smile,
smile,
string,
string,
tug,
tug,
wind.
wind.
Let's read.
Let's read.
I feel dizzy on a merry-go-round.
I feel dizzy on a merry-go-round.
The band was playing a tune.
The band was playing a tune.
Reading is fun.
Reading is fun.
Who made Sundri?
Who made Sundari?
Why did Bobby call his kite
Why did Bobby call his kite
Sundri?
Sundari?
Did Sundri fly very high at first?
Did Sundari fly very high at first?
What made Sundri really happy?
What made Sundari really happy?
Let's talk.
Let's talk.
Do you like to fly kites?
Do you like to fly kites?
Who helps you to fly kites?
Who helps you to fly kites?
Let's share.
Let's say
Pick the objects you need to fly a kite.
take the objects you need to fly a kite.
Color the kite.
Color the kite.
Stick.
Stick,
Roller.
roller,
Glue.
glue,
Pair of scissors.
pair of scissors,
Basket.
basket,
Paper.
paper,
Ball.
ball.
Name the objects in your own language.
Name the objects in your own language.
Trace over the dotted lines.
Trace over the dotted lines.
Let's do.
Let's do.
Look at the pictures
Look at the pictures
and tell the story
and tell the story
in your own words.
in your own words.
The umbrella and the crow.
The umbrella and the crow.
Rearrange the following sentences
Rearrange the following sentences
in the right order
in the right order
to make it into a story
to make it into a story.
on the left page.
On the left page,
A wind blows.
a wind blows.
It is raining.
It is raining.
The crow flies away
The crow flies away
with the umbrella.
with the umbrella.
The girl has an umbrella.
The girl has an umbrella.
The umbrella is now a nest.
The umbrella is now a nest.
The umbrella hangs from a tree.
The umbrella hangs from a tree.
Now say the story in English
Now say the story in English
using the word words rain,
using the words rain,
wind,
wind,
crow,
crow,
nest,
nest,
is, has,
has,
blows,
blows,
flies.
flies.
Let's read and write.
Let's read and write.
Crow,
Crow,
girl,
girl,
nest,
nest,
tree,
tree,
wind.
wind.
Unit 7.
Unit 7.
Teacher's pages.
Teacher's pages.
Poem,
Poem.
a kite,
A kite.
story,
Story.
Sundri.
Sundri.
In this unit,
In this unit,
we introduce children to sounds like blow,
we introduce children to sounds like blow,
whoosh,
whoosh,
puff,
puff,
whiff,
whiff,
ridgy,
dizzy,
soothe,
soothe,
sue,
shoo,
woof,
woof,
and woo.
and woo.
Encourage children
Encourage children
to listen to all the sounds
to listen to all the sounds
on their way to school.
on their way to school.
Let them discuss the ones
Let them discuss the ones
that were pleasant
that were pleasant
and those that were not.
and those that were not.
You can also ask them to recite
You can also ask them to recite
different rhymes
different rhymes
involving animal sounds.
involving animal sounds.
Develop pronunciation.
Develop pronunciation.
Have a reading session
Have a reading session
of the story Sundri.
of the story Sundri.
Let each child be given a
Let each child be given a
few lines to read.
few lines to read.
Exposure to language.
Exposure to language.
Continue to use sight words
Continue to use sight words
in the classroom.
in the classroom.
Here you can put up the following words
Here you can put up the following words
and get the children to repeat after you.
and get the children to repeat after you.
Door,
Door,
tree,
tree,
window.
window.
Develop speaking skills.
Develop speaking skills.
Divide your class into 4 groups.
Divide your class into 4 groups.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4.
Enjoy this short play
Enjoy this short play
with children saying,
with children saying,
all children.
all children.
1,
1,
2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
Group 1.
Group 1.
Whoosh,
Whoosh,
whoosh.
whoosh.
Once I caught a fish alive.
Once I caught a fish alive.
Group 2.
Group 2.
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Woof,
Woof,
woof.
woof.
Then I let it go again.
Then I let it go again.
Group 3.
Group 3.
11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
Shoo,
Shoo,
shoo.
shoo.
Why did you let it go?
Why did you let it go?
Group 4.
Group 4.
16,
16,
17,
17,
18,
18,
19,
19,
20.
20.
Blow,
Blow,
blow.
blow.
Because it beat my finger so.
Because it bit my finger so.
Group 1, 2, 3.
Group 1, 2, 3.
Which finger did it bite?
Which finger did it bite?
Group 4.
Group 4.
This little finger on my right.
This little finger on my right.
Let all children clap their hands
Let all children clap their hands
and say this entire rhyme
and say this entire rhyme
once again.
once again.
Through play,
Through play,
children develop the habit
children develop the habit
of establishing
of establishing
and following instructions
and following instructions
which will help them
which will help them
throughout their lives.
throughout their lives.
Playing in groups
Playing in groups
helps them to exercise self-control.
helps them to exercise self-control.
It also gives an opportunity
It also gives an opportunity
to the teacher
to the teacher
to observe and improve
to observe and improve
children's social understanding
children's social understanding
and attitudes.
and attitudes.
Develop writing skills
Develop writing skills
or
or
fine motor coordination.
fine motor coordination.
Introduce A to Z in capital letters.
Introduce A to Z in capital letters.
Write from A to Z on the blackboard.
Write from A to Z on the blackboard.
Let the children write and read
Let the children write and read
from the board
from the board
and from the picture dictionary.
and from the picture dictionary.
Use activity sheets
Use activity sheets
and a notebook
and a notebook
for further practice.
for further practice.
Let children move in a single line
Let children move in a single line, saying,
puff puff goes the train.
puff puff goes the train.
Raising awareness.
Raising awareness.
Involve the children
Involve the children
in a kite making activity.
in a kite making activity.
They can either decorate their class
They can either decorate their class
or the trees outside
or the trees outside
with the kites they have made
with the kites they have made made.
They can talk about festivals.
They can talk about festivals.
When kites fly in the sky.
When kites fly in the sky.
Material required.
Material required.
Any colored paper.
Any colored paper.
Strings and straws.
Sticks and straws.
Or twigs.
Or twigs.